chapter number 3 of class 7, subject English 2, adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? A word used with a noun to describe or to point out the person, animal, place, or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quality is called an adjective. Read the following sentences. Sita is a clever girl. So, girl of what kind? She is clever. I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. These are the adjectives which are being used. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes did he give? 5. There was little time for preparation. How much time? Little. In first sentence, clever describes the girl Sita. Second sentence, that points out the boy. Third sentence, 5 shows the number of mangoes, and fourth, little shows the amount of time. So, we may find an adjective as a word used with the noun to add something to its meaning. Look at the following sentences. The lazy boy was punished. The boy is lazy. In sentence 1, the adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy as an epithet or attribute. It is therefore said to be used attributely. In sentence 2, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb is and forms part of predicate. It is therefore said to be used predicately. Now, some adjectives can be used only predicately, as she is afraid of ghosts. I am quite well. Kinds of adjectives. Now, here are the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, indefinite adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective. So, adjectives of quality or descriptive adjective shows the kind of quality of a person or thing, as beautiful, nice, kind, old. Next, adjectives of quantity specifies the amount of things, as few, many, much, little. Next, we have adjectives of number or numeral adjectives specify the number of persons or things, or in which order a person or thing stands as, that is 1, 2, 3, 100, 1000. Next is demonstrative adjective. Okay, sorry, before starting the demonstrative adjective, we have adjectives of number. They are of 3 kinds. First is definite number adjective, which denotes as an exact number 1, 2, 3, etc. Indefinite numerical adjectives, which do not denote an exact number, all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several. Distributive numeral adjectives, which refer to each one of the number, as each boy must have his turn, every word of it was, and so on. Now, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. I ate some rice. Some boys are clever. He has lost all his wealth. All men must die. Next, we have demonstrative adjective, that is the fourth one. Point out the person or thing meant as, that is this, that, these, those. Next, we have interrogative adjectives. What, which, whose, when, they are used with the noun as asked question, and these are called interrogative adjectives. Now, we have exercise 1. Underline all the adjectives in the following sentence and say to which class each of them belongs. Now, the first sentence we have, the ship sustains heavy damage. So, we have to underline the adjective, that is heavy, and we have to say which class it belongs to. It is adjective of quality. So, write adjective of quality. Second one, every dog has his day. So, underline the word every, and it is distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. Next, a live ass is better than a dead lion. So live and dead, they are adjectives of quality, right? Adjective of quality. Fourth one, neither party is quite in the right. So neither is the distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. What time is it? So underline the word what, and it is interrogative adjective. So write interrogative interrogative adjective. Sixth one, which pen do you prefer? Underline the word which and write interrogative adjective. Seventh one, Abdul won the second prize. So underline the word second and it is adjective of number. Adjective of number. Now 10th one, there is much talk and little work. So underline the word before starting with the 10th we have 8th one also. My uncle lives in the next house. So underline the word my and next, it is my is possessive adjective. Okay, right, possessive adjective. Next we have 9th one, some dreams are like reality. So underline the word some, it is adjective of quantity, right? Adjective of quantity. 10th one, there is much talk and little work. So underline the word much and little, it is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Now turn the page. We have, as already pointed out, this and that are the only adjectives which are inflected or changed in the form to show number. Now the formation of adjectives. Many adjectives are formed from nouns, that is boy, boyish, it is adjective. Dirt, dirty. Care, carefully. Pardon, pardonable. Trouble, troublesome. Courage, courageous. Shame, shameless. Man, manly. Silk, silken. Gift, gifted. Some adjectives are formed from verbs, that is tire, tireless. Cease, ceaseless. Talk, talkative. Move, movable. Some adjectives are formed from other adjectives. They are tragic, tragical. Black, blackish. Whole, wholesome. White, whitish. Three, threefold. Sick, sickful. Now, more about adjectives. Adjectives without nouns. We can use the use the plus adjective without a noun to refer to some group of people in the society. The young should be the old. The young equals to young people. The old equals to old people. Further examples: the rich, the poor, the sick, the blind, the unemployed. Orders of adjectives. When two or more adjectives come before a noun, they are usually put in the following order: opinion plus size plus age plus shape plus color plus origin or place plus material plus purpose. Example: an interesting old man, a small Japanese TV, an attractive wall building, a green plastic bag, nice white cotton cloth, a round wooden dining table. Come to the next exercise 2. Put the adjectives in the bracket in the correct order. First one, a young strange girl. So write a strange young girl. Write a strange young girl. Old funny building. So answer is funny old buildings. A nice nice blue sari. A nice new blue sari. Put two commas here. Fourth one, a young American tall tourist. So write a tall young American tourist. Next, leather old brown shoes. Old brown leather shoes. Old brown leather shoes. Next, nylon swimming black trunks. Black nylon swimming trunks. We wanted metal a grey table. A grey metal table. She wore an amazing green silk dress. An amazing green silk dress. So with this we have completed our chapter number 3, adjective nouns. So do your work in the textbook only. Thank you.